Uncle Mark, where are you going to?
Emanuela, there is a job opportunity that I see. It's for a housekeeper. I want to go and do the interview so that I will win the job. Then I will now start working again.
Okay, I'll follow you. Let's go.
Go where?
To the interview now.
Makagene?
I want to know why every time you go for job interview, the next day they will sack you. I'm sure you used to say something that will make them sack you. Let's go. Today I'm following you.
Emanuela!
Uncle, I'll follow you today. If you like beat me, I'll still follow you.
I think you want to follow go job interview.
Come, let's go.
Okay, you think I'm going to enter taxi? You will say you will trek. But let's go. You will say you know that I'm a trekker. You will trek in this one, you will tire.
What's your name?
Mark Angel.
Mark Angel. Do you have any experience in this job? You mean you've been a houseboy before?
Excuse me. Is he a houseboy or a housekeeper?
So as I was saying, do you have an experience in being a houseboy?
Yes, sir.
Okay. The reason why I need your services is because my wedding is tomorrow. And my wife will be coming in tomorrow also. So I need someone to help out with the house chores like washing the cars, watering the flowers, and so many other things that needs to be done. So do you think you can do that?
Well.
Okay, that's fine. So who is she?
It's my uncle.
Oh, you mean your father's brother?
No, she's my cousin.
Cousin? I don't understand. You are uncle and she's your cousin. How?
Sir, it's like Ishibia. See, in this Nigeria, anybody that senior you is your uncle. Whether the person is your brother or your cousin, even your neighbor, you call the person your uncle. Your teacher can be your uncle.
Okay, fine, whatever. Okay, back to the reason why we are here. How much would you like me to pay you monthly?
So you, the place that you are working, how much are they paying you there?
Are you mad? It's like you don't need this job.
Sorry, sir. Just give him 20,000 naira.
20,000. Okay, fine. I will pay you 20,000 naira monthly, but that will be on one condition. If you work as a houseboy, while she works as a house girl.
No, it's me that come for the interview. She's just a small pekin.
Mr. Man, it's like you don't need this job.
I need it well.
Fine, you work as a houseboy, while she works as a house girl. Meaning, you take care of the adult responsibility, while she take care of the child responsibility. Because my wedding is tomorrow, for God's sake. My wife is moving in tomorrow. This car won't wash itself. The flowers won't water itself. The dishes in the kitchen won't wash itself. The compound needs to be kept clean. So tell me, if you cannot do this job, let me know so I get somebody else to do it.
Don't worry, we can do it.
Fine. Meaning you start now.
Now?
Yes.
So no, we come the interview so that we can win the job. Then we now go.
I don't understand. It's like you don't need this job.
I need it though.
Fine. You start now, and besides, you will be living here.
Hey. But sir, we did not come with our clothes.
That's not the problem, okay? Why should take care of the dirty dishes in the kitchen now? You go home and get your properties. It's like you don't need this job. I'm going to call somebody else.
No, we need it.
So move this fast. Take it to the kitchen.
Where's the kitchen?
Over there.
We need it.
You can get your belongings.
You know what?
Fast.
Well, I'm coming. Let me go and pack our clothes and come.
Francis.
Good morning, guys. What's up?
So you've not had your bath? Do you realize that today is my wedding?
Nah, that bachelor's eve was.
Oh, go and take your bath, John. Leave and go and take your bath. What kind of thing is this one now?
Come, guy. Where's your shirt now?
Is there no shirt inside here?
There's no shirt inside. Check now.
Hey! Oh my God! I have forgotten my shirt in Enugu.
Look at this joke.
Hey!
Look at this guy, you.
My designer designer's shirt.
Anyway, that shouldn't be a problem. You can wear
Hey!
mine.
Oh!
You can take mine.
What design is that?
USA.
USA. No,
Yes.
no. I don't do that.
Okay, wear mine now.
What design is that?
That's an Italian shirt.
Italian shirt?
Yes.
Oh my god. For God's sake, I don't do Italian nor USA. I do Turkish designs.
I thought you tell us that if it's not Turkey, you're not putting any other shirts.
Yes. Guys, do you realize that today is my wedding day and I have to wear a Turkey design? Oh my god. Where's Mark Angel?
Sir?
Come. What are you doing?
I'm cleaning shoe.
Okay. Where is that your cousin or your sister? Where is she? Call her.
Emanuela!
Call her.
Emanuela!
Come. Give her the shoe. Take that shoe, make sure you clean it and get it back fast. Go. Mark Angel, come. See, I want you to go and get me a shirt. A white shirt. Where's my card? Use my card, go to any boutique close by and get me a white shirt. The pin is 4440. 4440. Fast. Come. See, you didn't even ask me the design of shirt you are going to buy. So you want to go there and buy anyhow thing for me? Listen, I need a white turkey shirt.
Turkey?
A white turkey shirt. Okay? Fast. Come. See, Mark Angel, today is my wedding day. Don't waste time. You have just 30 minutes or you are dead. Read my lips. You are dead. Hurry up. Today is my wedding, for God's sake.
Guy, you should have worn this shirt too.
Oh, see, what is wrong with all of you? I thought you were my guys. I've told you severally that on my wedding day, I must wear a white turkey designer's shirt.
Enough of all this. He has gone to get the shirt.
30 minutes or I'm dead. 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 30 minutes.
Guys, is Mark back?
No.
Hey, my God. Oh, what is all this now? Why today? I just got off the phone with my wife now. Everybody's in church and they're waiting for us. Even the priest is standing in front of the altar. What is all this now, where is Emanuela?
Sir?
Come here. Where is your teacher, brother? Where is he? Where is Mark?
He's not yet back.
Are you asking me? Are you asking me? In fact, take this phone. Call him now. Call him. We are all waiting for him. Tell me we are all waiting for him.
Hello? Uncle Mark, where are you now? We are all waiting for you. Be fast.
Where is he?
He's coming.
He better come fast, oh. He better come fast. Give my phone and get her from this place. And guy, you. I thought you were putting on your trousers before.
Do you want my trousers to get rumpled? Guy, please, I don't want to talk
Whatever.
about it today.
Wait. Has Francis taken his bath?
I guess he has gone back to sleep.
Go. Francis!
Don't worry, we'll leave Francis here and go. That guy is not serious. We'll leave him here and go.
Come on, what kind of wedding is this? I really don't understand what's going on here.
Is it this wedding you're cleaning yourself for? This wedding?
You don't have to worry yourself now.
I told that girl that Prince will definitely disappoint her. Is it not Prince again? As I speak to you now, Prince is getting married to another girl, and their wedding is even today. And she's there killing herself every time.
I want to get married.
Now look at it now.
I knew it. All these Instagram slay queens. Look at them. They want to marry Malaysia husband in the wedding.
My sister.
You shut up your mouth. You shut up your mouth. When will you be gossiping someone like that? What's your business? What is your problem? Don't worry, you will soon join Monopause. Stay there and gossip somebody. Stupid
Jamila,
girls.
calm down, please.
Leave me alone.
Do your makeup.
Leave
Calm
me.
down.
What is makeup? When he's not here.
Please.
What is makeup? When my wedding is going to be cancelled.
See, look at the way people are looking at you.
Leave me alone. Let them look at me. My wedding
wedding will be cancelled because of shame.
Ada, your father just told me that the Reverend Father said if in 3 minutes time he did not see him, that the wedding will be called off. Hey, call him. Where is your phone? Call him, please. Call him.
Honey, where are you? They are going up this wedding. Please just come immediately. Where are you?
I'm coming now. Where's Mark? Where's my shirt? Emanuela!
Sir?
Come here. Stand here. Where's Mark? Take my phone. Call him now. Tell him if I don't see him now, I'm going to kill you. I will devour you. I will arrest you. Call him now.
Calm down.
Put the loudspeaker.
Calm down.
Hello, Uncle Mark.
Hey, Emanuela, I'm coming. Now I finished.
Where are you now?
We are finished. They are just doing small amendments.
Hey! Mark! What kind of amendment are they doing?
Okay, sorry, they are finished.
See, hello, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Hope you know St. Paul Catholic Church.
Which one?
The one close to the market.
Okay, yes.
Fine. Come there with the shirt. Mark, the whole church is waiting for us. Come there with the shirt now.
Okay, I will enter taxi and be coming there now.
Okay, fine. Come now. Guys, let's go to the church.
Now?
Let's go to church now.
Hey guys! Wait for me now, you guys going without me?
Start the car, Emanuela, open the gate! Baby, I'm so sorry, please, Don't be offended, please, I'm so sorry, Is this new houseboy I employed though, I asked him to get me a white turkey shirt. This morning,
Okay, so where is he?
He's coming.
Here.
Okay, he's here. Come here. Where have you been since? Where have you been? Where's the shirt? Huh? Mark? What's this?
Turkey shirt.
Turkey shirt.
Where is the turkey?
Uncle Mark, they say turkey design.
This one they design it for turkey.
Hey!
I thought you tell her turkey that is wearing it.
Hey!
Where is the turkey? Hey, did you people forget the turkey? See, the teller said that I should use my hand and wear this cloth on the turkey. That we should not wear it from the head, we should wear it from the leg.
Hey!
Don't worry, he teach me how to wear the turkey, the cloth. Where is the turkey? I want to use my hand and wear it on the turkey.
My chest, I'm finished.
Okay, why are you finishing? Malala, what happened?
Uncle Mark,
Did I do anything wrong?
Leave me alone! Leave me alone!
Mr. Prince, do you take Jamila Musa as your lawfully wedded wife to love and to cherish in goodness and in goodness till death do you part?
Yes, I do.
Yes. Sir, manage this one.
sorry, sir. You look good. Just smile.
Smile.